Hello sushi lovers, namaste and warm welcome from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this sushi tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to make beautiful full moon Hosomaki sushi roll with tuna. So I hope you will enjoy with this easy sushi recipe. Let's go. I have here half nori sheet and it is tira of maguro tuna. Nori seaweed has two sides, shiny and rough. It is rough side and it is the shiny side. We have to place rice always on the rough side. So I took my cooked sushi rice. You can take normally 50 to 60 gram sushi rice and I'm gonna place on the nori. Time to place tira of tuna on the middle of sushi rice. For the sushi rolling techniques, always leave one finger on the bamboo mat and nourish it. Hold the bamboo mat by your thumb finger and secure the tuna by 3 fingers, okay, as you can see on the video. So it will be easy to closing time. Then roll it with carefully. Okay, let's roll it again and secure. Finally my Hosomaki sushi roll is ready. Now I will press just one side to make triangular shape. Let's gently press. So when we will cut the sushi roll, it looks like full moon and also beautiful, same as like the flowers. Still, it's not perfect shape, so I'll press a little bit more. I'm pushing just one side of sushi roll, so it will be a perfect shape of the triangular. Let's cut the sushi roll. Here I am using water to make my knife wet, so sushi rice won't stick on my knife. I'll cut the additional part first and cut on the middle, then again middle, so we can make it 8 pieces, okay. I'm gonna put on top middle of sushi rolls small red radish slice, so the gap will be closed. It also called rabanete in Portuguese. You can add also ginger pickles and wasabi. For sushi decoration ideas, I can use my carrot sakura and butterfly, as you can see on the video. You can check link on my description box how to make carrot sakura and butterfly. It is my final result of the beautiful full moon sushi rolls. I think it's a very easy recipe to make beautiful flower sushi rolls, and I hope you will try it at your home. Thank you so much for watching this sushi recipe video. I kindly request all of you, please support me by subscribing my YouTube channel, so I will be encouraged to make more videos about sushi. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.